Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Graphic Design Workshop. My name is Sheikh Namri. I'm pursuing BSc from St. Anne's Degree College. I'm your instructor for Day 2 workshop. So, we'll start our workshop Day 2 today. So, I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yes, Namrit, we can see your screen.
Okay. So, welcome to Graphic Design Workshop Day 2. So, so I welcome once again. So today we will cover some contents like presentations in Canva, creating wallpapers, class schedules, posters, invitations, and resumes too. So we will start with presentations. I hope everyone knows what presentation is. So these are some steps how to create a presentation in Canva. So first of all, everyone learned how to launch Canva yesterday. So today, launch Canva, whether it is your phone view or in web. So launch Canva, then choose a presentation template of your own or a default one, your wish. It depends on you. Then add animations, videos, images. I will let you know how to do these all, and you can collaborate with your friends too. Like if you are doing a Canva PPT, you can share the link with your friends so that they can, if they want to edit anything in that, they can do so. So like this, we can collaborate with our friends in real time. So next is presenting. So we will go with hands-on experience.
Hey,
Hands, uh, everyone, please mute yourselves. A request. So this is the PC view of how the Canva page look, presentation page look. So I will stop here presentation. I will show hands-on experience how the Canva works in presentation. So I guess you can see my screen now.
yes, Namrit, it's visible.
Yeah. So this is the front page of Canva. So I think everyone know basics now. So this is search bar. Go and click presentations. After clicking presentations, you can see here 5 types like presentation. This is 1920 is by 1080. This is a classic presentation. If you want to present in like a flat TV types or on the screen projector, etc., you should use this presentation. There is a number 1920. I guess you can see this 1920 is to 1080. So next one is 4:3. Uh, this is also presentation done by this flat screen, but this is more applicable for tablets and iPhones. So this is 1204 by 768. So this is mostly used in tablets. Next is mobile first presentation. This is third type presentation. Uh, s- so if you want to present by your mobile view, you can use this mobile first presentation. So we'll go with the classic presentation first of all. So after clicking on the presentation, as you can see, a template page. So this is a template page. You can see so many types of colors of presentations and so many presentations. And these are not ending presentations as these are all free. One thing to remember here, you can see a option like free and pro and free and pro. So if you want to use pro, you need to pay money. No need of pro because free versions are so many. There are so many templates in free version too. You can utilize this free version templates. So there are so many templates. As you can see, I'm scrolling and so many templates are appearing. So like this, so many templates. So we will go with blank template first. So this is the untitled blank template. So as I told, three types in for mobile view and tablet and what screen flat screen view. Like this is the classic one, 1920 is to 1080. I prefer this for presentations as it is a perfect one. So uh, starting while we can see so many types of presentations: simple presentation, education presentation, event and special interest presentation, brainstorm presentation, marketing, company, and so many. There are animated presentations also. We can click here to see how many types of animated presentations are. And after clicking like this, if we go on any of the presentation, there will be 17 plus slides in that. So here we can see 10 slides, but normally some presentations have 17 plus presentation. If you like this, you can apply all 10. Like I will show this. Yeah. So apply all 10. So you can see all 10 presentations are appearing here, and you can design in this only. But we will design another one. I will show you one slide. uh, so yeah. So here so many students are there, so we'll go with some educational presentations first for. So here's so many presentations are there. We will select first one. This funny science lesson one. So we'll go with this. I will click only one presentation. So here. So we can click here and change the type. Like this is graphic design day 2. So I will click here. Graphic design workshop. Yeah, we can change font size. Or we can change here directly. I'll keep 90 for now, or 80. So you can see workshop D2. And here you can change name teacher. I can say instructor. And my name is Sheikh Namreen. So we have done with this. So I want to say one thing. This is a different box. This is different box. Like if you select from here like this, you can see delete element and delete group. If you delete group, whole thing will be gone. Like I will show you once. See, whole thing is gone. So instead of doing this, we can delete one element too. Like selecting like this and delete element, we can delete any of the element like this. So, and one more thing, if you want to move this like this is there is one option to group. So this is ungroup. So if you want to if we do ungroup, we can move like this. You can see these lines. This is one element and this is one element. So like this we can select this one and we can group like this. So we'll change this. Like now this is graphic design workshop. We can search in the photos like related to graphic design. So we'll search what we will get by clicking graphic design. So I click like this. So there are so many pictures. We can select one of these. Like see, so many pictures are there. Graphic design. So we'll take this, or we can select this one too. Yeah, any of this, no problem. This is also not. So we can reduce the size of this. We can delete this element. So like this, we can keep aside like this and delete this element. And we can change this font color to like I have a untitled palette where I have selected some colors. Those only will shown here. So I will go with this violet color, light green, like this. Black is better. So like this, we can change, and there are some elements. We can use these elements too, as you learned in workshop day one. Some shapes too. You can use whole creativity in this workshop. I mean, in this PPTs. Like there are so many templates, but you can create on your own too. And I should say one thing, like if we see animated, this is educational. If we see animated templates, mm, yeah, here some elements are there. I'll show you on your page. Okay, here some elements are there. Like we can use in our PPTs. We can drag and put it in our PPTs. Uh, we'll take this as example. So this circle is there. So we can drag this and go here, and we can put it here in our PPT like this, like moving here, and we can enlarge the size like this. So you may get so many creative ideas. You can do anything you want like this, and we can use so many elements here. Some graphics also, graphical elements. I think you know better about elements now. There are so many type frames, grids, charts, and you can add audio, as you know. So like this, we can do our presentations. And if you didn't get any creative idea, no problem. You can search for a better presentation here, and you can format it. I mean, you can design yourself, like adding some elements or removing some and adding animations. Yeah, forgot to tell about your animations. So we can animate here, like there are some free animations, but don't go for this. These are pro. If you wish to design more and more, or you want to go business side, you can go for pro, because there are so many templates in there, but free ones are also very good for those. So this is one block animation, and this is second one, as you can see. This is third fade. This is pan, like this. I will apply pan, and we'll see present and see how it looks. So you can see how good it is. It was very nice, right? So like this, you can design your presentations on your own, and no worries, you can take any of these templates to design your presentation. So I think you got an idea about how presentations are. So we will go with next one. So I guess you can see this is how presentation PC looks. See, I already told about this. And I want to show you about phone view of this presentation. I have a video for you. You can see this. So first you need to go to Play Store and launch Canva. As I have already installed the Canva app, you can directly open it. After opening, you should first log in with your Facebook account, or you can also log in with your Google account. I already log in with my Google account. So see, as you can see, yeah. Then this is a phone view of presentation. Go to search bar as it did, and click on presentations like this. And as I told, three types of presentation. You can take any of those. This is the mobile view. So this you can take mobile first presentation as for presenting. So these are the presentations front page, as you can see. So many presentations are told: marketing presentation, company presentation, educational, creative presentation. So as I told, there are creative presentations also. So You need to think just some creativity so that you can design a presentation very well and unique from others, like that. So I took a storyboard brainstorm presentation to show you how it looks, and I have applied all pages. So you can see. So you can see here down. These are the you can change color to color and timings and replace it, and this is all you can do. These are the animations as I showed you. And this is the option for presentation in phone view. You can present to your classmates if you are studying in most of the students are studying in 10th and intermediate, I guess. So you can present to your class teacher class like this in a wonderful way in your phone. So like this is a whole presentation in the phone view. I guess you understand the phone view and PC view how the Canva presentation look. So we'll go with next one, wallpaper. Mm, okay, next one is wallpaper. So how to create a wallpaper. So these are the exact same steps, but just you need to add is creativity and some patience. Yeah. So this first one, launch Canva, browse for templates, and customize your wallpaper and creative design ingredients and save and share. Uh, I think all know login step, and this is a PC view of your um, wallpapers. So I will show this also in PC view. So I will share the screen in hands-on experience of wallpaper. So I guess you can see my screen now. A homepage of Canva.
Yes, Namreen, it's visible.
Yeah. So this is the same steps. Go to search bar, or you can go here, scroll down, and see here search for wallpaper. But instead of this, we can go for search bar and click wallpapers. In this wallpaper, there are so many types here too, like desktop wallpaper. As I'm using desktop phone wallpaper, you can create your own phone wallpaper. You can add your photos to it. Yeah, and cool desktop wallpaper, motivational wallpapers, beautiful, funny, and so many. So we'll click here. So as you can see on my screen, there are so many types of wallpapers. All you can see your options, all categories wallpapers. And as I told, you must select free version. Pro version, if you want pro version, you can buy it. And I have all colors here, so you can see here so many tons of wallpapers, never-ending wallpapers. You can say. So we'll select one of these and we will edit. Okay. I will go for now desktop wallpaper. As I am using desktop, I'll go with this. We will select this one, scenery. So as you can see, I've selected this one. So okay, we can delete this. We can add any of these here. Like we can add any thought. If we open a morning for you all may have classes early morning. Like you can open your laptop, you can see your screen, and if we see a positive thought, all day would be go very positive. So we'll first search for a text. So you can see your text too. We'll select this one. We'll try this one. So you can keep your thought here. Yeah, like here. You can delete this element. If you want to means you want to transparency in your wallpaper, you can do like this, so that your thought will means after seeing your wallpaper, you can see your thought like this, means attracting that. So I will keep in 70. Yeah, 75. So after that you can change here font, like I will change it for quicksand. These are ones, or you can change for this one. I will go with first one, and you can change this font color too. So you can see your photo colors, means whatever photo you applied in the background, you will see that color, so that the photo and the color will be looking as it is. I mean, it will match. Like I will put this one, so you can see. If you want dark one, you can click this. So like this, so that these color and these color so match somewhere like that. So we'll go with black one only. It is very dark color. So like this I've done. Now if you want to add any elements, you can add it. Like you can add flowers. Like if I want to add this flower here, should minimize it. Uh, I can flip this to flip horizontal or flip vertical like this. So I have flipped vertical so that I can keep here like this, anything like this. So I can like this, and after doing this, I can attach the image from background too. If you don't like, or it seems like some more means colorful you want, so you can detach like this. So the background will go like this. Or if you want to keep it as it is, you can you can set image as like this, so that it will be looking good. So I will place this here, like flipping horizontal. Something like this. So you can see like how nice it is. So like this, you can create any of the wallpapers more creatively. You can attach anything like this flowers. So I have kept flowers. You can keep anything you want. You can search in photos too. So many things. You can add graphics to it, like anything. If you want text as add this one, you can add anything. So like this, you can design your wallpapers. Now we will go for the phone view of the wallpaper. So I guess you can see my screen now.
Yes, Namreen.
So this is the phone view of wallpaper. I have took this screenshot because you should know how the phone view of wallpaper look like. So you can see this video. I've launched the Canva. This is the homepage of Canva. I went to search bar, then click wallpapers. So I selected phone wallpaper, so that in phone view, phone wallpaper is the best, and you can set it as your phone wallpaper. So I've selected one of the template here. So you can see so many wallpapers here. Um, so you can see so many wallpapers here. I have selected one. Fight your dreams. So I have changed some settings here, like color, image color, like this. I'll change this color. As you can see, I've changed something like this. Fight for your dreams like this. Yeah, you can change your font color, and these are the effects. So I guess you are understanding how the phone view, how you can replace your wallpaper with this Canva made wallpaper. So you can make on your as you wish. So this I have done. So this one. So next is class schedule. Uh, Everyone knows how class schedule is very important for us. So we'll see class schedule. I think everyone in your childhood days took your notebooks and you have written your class schedule in the back papers. Like you will get your notebook and printed class schedule like this. So I have to done this type of thing. So this is a virtual class schedule. You guess you can say like this also. So how to create a class schedule. As it is same steps like launch Canva, browse templates, or click on search bar as class schedules, then click on blank template, or you can use any one of the created templates and can apply so many colors and etc. fonts and text. So I will show you how this class templates are used. Class schedules. So we are in homepage of Canva. Can go for class schedules. So this is class schedule. So yeah, you can see so many types of class schedule. Now you can make a class schedule for yourself. You can design here. So we'll go with blank one, and we'll select one of those from the templates, whatever we have. So as you can see, I have selected one blank template, and you can see here so many results of templates of class schedules. So many templates are there here, or you can create for yourself, like applying backgrounds, etc. We'll go with this schedule. You can change this font size and font color. Like we'll change this font to Norwester. So this is class one. Then you can write here your name or your class teacher name. So increase this and write your name. Like this, and year, this is 2021, so you can write here 2021. So like this, and if you want to change the color, you can change the color, but I'm satisfied with this blue color, and most of them like this blue color, I guess. So notes, in terms of notes, we can increase this one. We'll delete this one and decrease the size of it like this, something. So like this, time we'll write here timings. and we can adjust these cells. Now in blank page, I will show how I will create my own timetable. So here are so many elements, like we can go for shapes. So in these shapes, you can select any one of those. Oh my god, something is happening. Okay, we'll try once again. Okay, we got. So you can see here lines and shapes. So we'll take one square shape like this. So I can change this color also to light blue. Yeah, this is looking okay, great. Again, we can select from lines and shapes. This time we will select a rectangle one. We can take this and we can rotate this. Yeah, we got this. As you can see, you can rotate this one like this. Something like this. Yeah. Yes. We'll minimize the size here. Yeah. Select this one and keep it on the top. And we can write here timetable, class timetable or class schedule, whatever you wish. So, yeah, yeah, here. So, we can change this color too, but this color is nice. I'll keep this like this. And now, we going to add text. We should go for this text one and click on this. Delete one, and we can keep here. Yeah, you can write now timetable, or you can write class schedule too. So now, you by using these elements, you can create some boxes here. Like I will show one row, but creating this will consume so much time. But I have so many for you guys, so I will show how to edit this all, and you can do timetable for yourself, or select a template and you can you can edit it. So like this, we can select this one and minimize the size. You need not take every time and minimize this. You can take this and by clicking on here, as you can see this plus sign, this is it is indicates a duplicate one of this. So you can click on duplicate any times you want, and you can take and you can keep here. So this makes our work simple, so that we can not consume so much time in creating this. So as you can see, and I forgot to tell you, these all changes will be saved. Like you need not uh, take extra time to save this all. As you can see, these are all saved. You can see. So like this, you should arrange one by one. Take more duplicate ones and arrange it. So guys, hope you are understanding how to create a class schedule of your own. So as you can see, a margin sum. This indicates they are in a straight line. Okay, we'll go back now. Yeah, this is it. Duplicate. We need one more for like this. So guys, this is one side. So we can okay. Yeah. So we can now use this to make our class schedule. We can write anything we want, like our timetable, or you can create your own timetable, like after class hours. This will be good, and paste it on your doors. You can take print out and paste it on your doors. This will be a very good habit, and yeah, this is very good habit. Yes. So like this, we need to create class schedules now. uh, as your son, try it for yourself one, and please share it in WhatsApp group. I really congrats all those who did use the Canva and post it in the group. The designs were very really very nice. I can congratulate those all. So we'll go with wasting further time. We'll go with this next one topic. So this is a PC view, as you saw already. Then okay, so guys, this is a phone view of class schedule. You can see and you can understand how you can create a class schedule in the phone. So this is a Canva homepage. Go to search bar, or you can search down for the class schedules. By clicking like this, you can save so much of time. So by clicking on this, you can see so many templates. So all templates are very good, but which is suitable for us and which we are comfortable, we can use that class schedules. So I have selected one template which is created template. So I took that one template, as you can see. So I selected this template, and I edited some like font color, and I wrote some like names, notes like this. I created something like this. Okay, hope you are understanding. Yeah, you can change that leaves type. You can remove that, or you can keep there anything. Like I forgot to tell, in Elements, you can search for the books and keep a animated book there. This could be very effective, and you can see clearly. So I've done so many experiments with this. You can see I'm changing colors. So like this. So I will show you once. So as I showed this one, you can go for the photos, and uh, you can click here for some books. By clicking on those, you can see so many books here. Uh, yeah, you can see so many books here. You can select one of those, and you can keep in this. I will select one and show you. Mm, so you can select this one. You can minimize. You can keep anywhere here. Like this. You can select an animated picture too. Graphics, go for graphics. And go for graphics. you can see graphic books like in Elements. You should go for clicking on search bar like books and click on graphics. You can see so many graphic books. So you can take this and you can keep here and minimize the size and change the color like from black to you can say white color, or you can say blue. No, blue can't be seen here. So like this, any color of your wish. So you can take anything. Like you can take this also. It would be very nice here. So you can click here. So like this, you can add some animator pictures on this. Like I've added this one. So you can do this on yourself. So now we'll go with another topic is invitations. As you see on my screen, invitations are very important, I guess. Now, how to make an invitation? The same steps. Launch Canva, take a best template, add images, text, customize, and etc. So I will show you hands-on how the invitations are done. Like this is the PC view of invitations, how it looks. Now I will show you practically. So okay, okay, I'm on homepage of Canva. As I told, launch Canva and click here as invitations. By clicking on the invitations, uh, you can see so many options like this. Invitation. This is 14 is to 14 invitation. This is a better one. According to me and your wish, you can take in landscape mode, which is 7 is to 5, or in portrait mode, which is 105 is to 148. Anyone is better. And here you can see so many types of invitations. By going to blank page and doing so, you can select any of the templates and create on your own. I mean, you can customize however you want, like breakfast invitation, costume party invitation, kids party invitation, birthdays and game night invitation, bridal tea invitation, and so many. So we'll go for invitations first. So as you can see, changes for okay, I will show you some pro invitation cards too, so that if you change your mind to go for pro and utilize so many pro uh, templates, you can do so. So these are the free templates. There are so many free templates. So you can see some are pro too, as you can see this one. So we'll go on one template now. Any of those, like nowadays our farewell are going virtually. So creating an invitation for farewell is not a basic thing. So we can create here wonderfully invitation for our farewell virtually. So if your friend's birthday is there, you can create a birthday invitation like this. So first we'll go with a blank one. So this is a blank invitation template. Yeah, you can see I have used some recently because see a class of 2020, Funky 15 birthday for my brother. Like this, I've used some of the invitations. You can do for yourself too. There are so many birthday invitation, party invitation, baby shower invitation, graduation invitation. As I told, these days our graduations are completing in lockdown, and so many virtual parties are coming on our way. So I hope this must be not the next year. So save the date invitation, photo invitation. Yeah, you can add your photo to invitation using some elements shapes. You can add a shape, and you add your photo to it. It will be very good looking and nice. So many types of there. So we'll go with one invitation from here. Like we'll go with graduation one only. So there are so many graduation invitations. I hope you're all enjoying. I'm not boring too, right? So see, we got one graduation invitation. You are in 10th and intermediate, so this is not mostly applicable for you, but we can see other invitations too. Like this must be great. So we are all from batch 2020. It may be your intermediate or your 10th class. So no farewell, only see you soon. So this is batch 20. We can write here 2021. Uh, Here we can write our address too, but for now I will delete this element. And so like this. I selected this one and now deleted this element. So we are done with this. We can change the font. We'll increase font. We can go with another color too. Some light color because background is very dark. So we can go with some light colors for it. Firstly, you should know how color combination should be. If your background is very dark, go with light color. It should very good looking type like this. So don't go with light colors, whatever you wish. Like this, any of this you can select. Then going for the elements, or you can go for the photos, and you check for the excuse me. So you can check for the graduation. You will get so many. You can see this one. You can add this photo here. Okay, got some problem with this. So like this, something like this, you can put. You can use more creatively. So like this. I've kept this like this. Now I can add text here, like uh, timings and what platform I can add like this. Can move here, like now we can add the gradual parties from 5. We don't know this a little upside. Yeah, we can decrease this. So uh, virtual party, and we can take a subheading and write in Google Meet, or you can write in YouTube Live, or you can write in Zoom Live, like etc. You can do anything. To decrease like this, we can write Gmeet short form to save the space too. And in add little bit body, we'll take here timings like from when to when. Timings are like parties are at night times. Usually parties meet at night time. So we can take from 7 o'clock, 7 to 8. uh, Days Thursday we can write, or we can write Sunday, and we can write date as today's date is 6. So we can write like this. So like this, we can go to next line here. So so like this, something like this you can create. If you want to change background, you can change. So but I guess this is okay. First one is okay, like something like this. So I guess you understood how to make invitation on your own by editing little, like so much little. You can edit so much little by adding elements, text, something like this. I will show you frames too. You can add frames too. Like I will take um we'll take this frame, okay, and we'll take this picture. We'll try to keep in like this. Yeah, as you can see, this looks like this. Means that photo is means you can add this photo into this frame, and how the frame look like this, the photo will appear. This is something I mean with magical, right? So we can apply these two. So I guess you understood how to create an invitation. So we'll move on to the next topic, that is okay. If moving to another topic, I'll show you how the phone view of invitation look like. So you can see this video and know about how the phone view is like. While launching Canva, you can see always this. So like this is a home page of Canva. So the similar steps, going to a search bar, click on the invitation. After clicking on the invitation, you can see so many templates, thousands of templates. You can see 1,000 plus 2. So selecting one from would be hard, but you can select one for like based upon the situation. I mean, like what, it may be birthday, it may be virtual graduation party, like anything. So I've created one graduation party row. I have created in like this for batch 2021 grand party. So St. Anne's Degree College. This is my college. I have created one for me. This is virtual graduation party, and I have put some timings here, like June 5th, 2021, from 5 to 8 p.m. The party will go. So if you want to change some colors, or you want to increase font, you can increase it. You want to change font color, you can change. Like your, if you want if the party is from your college graduation party, you can add your college or school or anything. You can add the logo too by downloading. So you can add this logo too, like this can be shown very professionally. You should be very professional like this. So you can add a logo too. So in this I didn't add the logo, but if you want, you can download a logo of your college, or download it, and you can add to your invitation like this. You can add your photos too if your birthday is there, and you can surprise your friends by doing some invitations like this. Yeah. The next part is poster. So I think everyone knows about poster. These are the similar steps, but in this extra one is, as you can see the fifth point, click the order print. Like if you are creating a poster design and you want that poster, you can click on order prints. I will show it you. So order prints, by clicking on this, you should confirm, means you should if you want to order your poster to your home, like you should complete your formalities like your name and how much the cost. They will show you cost for shipping and this, and the paper quality will really very good. You can order this way too, or you can download and print it for yourself, this poster. But you can order too. This facility is in Canva. So I guess this is the best facility, like you designing a poster and ordering in Canva only. So this must be very great. So before going to phone view, we will go with how Canva looks in PC view. Yeah, I guess you can see my screen now. Posters. So you can see so many posters here. Yeah, it's loading. So by clicking here, you can see in this you can select landscape poster, reward chart posters. So many types of posters are there, like drug awareness poster. Yesterday was the environment day, World Environment Day. So instead of selecting one from here, I will create a poster for you for World Environment Day. So my blank presentation is loading now. We'll wait for a while. So this is my page. So first of all, we will go for the photos, because for environment day, nature photos should be very attractive, like that. We'll select like uh, environment. We'll click environment. So many photos are there here for environment day. We'll select one of those for environment day, like mm, this one is nice. I guess you can see I will increase the font size. mm, yeah, this is better. Or you can select this one. I will select one of those, like it should cover whole thing. Okay, I guess this one is right. We can select this one only. We'll go with first one. So by clicking left click on this, here is an option like set image as background. You should click on it, then it will fit to your page. So as you can see, it is fit to your page. Now clicking on this, here one option is this transparency. I guess you know about this. You can decrease the transparency of this. Like I will keep it in like little transparency, like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay. So next, we will go for the text. So we should add text like environment day, saver, like there's something we will add here. So I will go on and uh, world environment day. So we can change color. I will show one thing by clicking on this plus sign. Whatever color you are applying, you can see here. So and as I told, this is a photo colors, like whatever photo is showing, this related photo colors will be shown, so that your content, your photo will be matched. Like you can select dark one, this one, or light one, so like this. But will this background is very dark, we'll go with some dark color like this, like blue one. Or as it is a world environment day, we'll go with green one or dark green one, something like this. Okay, so we have done with this. So drag it and keep it here. This is poster. We need to keep it as it is, like world environment day, like this. So background is little attracting so much. We can change photo too, like Um, what photo? Like, okay, we'll go with this photo. We'll see how this looks like. We can as I told in first, you can left click on this detach image, and you can delete this image, and you can click on this and set image as background. This is very easy, right? So you can change this transparency too. If you don't want to change, you can keep it at it as it is, like this. So World Environment Day. Okay, we are done with a poster almost. So this is colorful, right? So after doing this, we can add here a message too, like means like you can add some text like save our earth, or you can write like plant a sapling. Like this, you can add so much the text, whatever you want. So we'll see what else we'll get by clicking this. So see. Something related? No, we can't see something related. So we'll go with a heading like this. Mm, we can say reduce vehicle use. Like this, something like this. You can use anything you want. So you can change color. Something other else color you can use. Go with red because this is like this. You can use anything. So guys, I guess you understood how to do a poster too. So yeah, as I told, you can order your poster. See, you as you can see here, print posters. Click on it. After clicking on the print poster, see, as you can see how it looks on your wall. This poster. You can see your options. So like this, you can select whatever size you want, A2, A1 or A3. This is suggested one, like how many copies you want. One copy is 450. This is depending upon you. You can continue or you can stop here. So I will show you after continuing too. So like this, you can do, so many options will there. You can go continue and pay your amount, and the 4 steps. So doing like this, you should pay for it, and you will get your poster with a quality printing. So if you want to design a good poster, you can design and you can get it a printed poster to your home. So this is very nice, right? You can add animations, uh, and you can share with others. As I told in the beginning, you can type any of the email, and you can share with your friends too, and you can download here. Like suggested one is PDF print. You can select any PNG, JPG, like JPG or anything like this. So like this, you can select and download. So guys, next we'll go with another topic now. So I need to show you the phone view of the uh, poster. So we'll go this to faster. So okay, see how the phone view looks in poster. So launch Canva, go to search bar, or you can scroll like this and see posters. Select one of the poster, create for yourself or create for your school competition. You like so many competitions going on for posters too, right? So yesterday was environment day. So many of that, so many must be seeing the competitions like environment day poster making competition like that. So you can do whatever poster you want. So I have created one for myself. Congrats on your new job, like this, something like this. So we'll go faster now. So I've edited, done some like this, change the colors. I took delete after I changed like this. So like this, guys, you can create one for yourself too, or for competitions. If you use Canva for posters, definitely you can win a prize in poster making competition. So this is, as I've shown, this is a PC view of Canva, and these are the posters. Not last but not least, this is a resume. In every student life, resume plays a very vital role. Yeah, I guess now for now you may be not knowing resume about resume, but resume is plays a very vital role and very effective role, I can say. So this follows the same templates. You need to find a right template for your uh, resume. Means it should be like it should be matching like that. You can create your resume too, but selecting a template for the first time is very good for you. Like you can add creative features and etc. too. You can order your resume like this, audio prints like posters. You can do so. Next, first of all, I will show you hands-on experience how the resumes are created. Then we will go for the phone view of resumes, because most of them may be using your phones, and that's why you need to know how resumes are created in phone view. That's why I'm showing you phone view too, so that you it would be helpful. So resumes, clicking on resumes. Yeah, I can tell you can add your photos to your resume too. Like you can see here some example resumes. You can add photo like this professional resumes. So many type of resumes are there. See, as I told, high school resume, scholarship resume, professional resume, photo resume. As this one, this is photo resume, academic resume. Most of them using academic resume, simple resume, etc., etc. So many. Yeah. So we'll create a blank resume, and we can select a template from there. So we have here, yeah. So you can see here so many type of resumes. Professional, modern, simple. We'll go with simple resume, or you can go with some professional type. I will show you some example professional resumes here, like this one. uh, in this resume you can edit here. You can remove this photo, and you can add your photo here, and you can add your name, like my name is Sheikh Namri, so I'll add like this, like this. I can add my name, and here I can add a student, whatever may be our designation. We can add here, I will show you. Yeah, I guess you can see now. So you can add your contact details here, and your personal profile. Uh, Profile here means your designation. Like here we can see an example as software engineer with hands-on experience. You can say your whatever your designation may be. In future, it will be very useful. I promise this. And your work experience, like if you in your graduation, in your work experience you can add your internships too, like you have done internship with so and so company. Like this you can add your mm, experience here. Areas of expertise, like uh, so many may be knowing the programming languages like SQL, C, C++, Java, Python, so many etc. So you can write here whatever you know, the skill you know. And education history. Education history means where did you study your intermediate, where did you study your 10th class, where did you complete your graduation, and etc. Other skills are co-curricular skills, like what are you good at other than the skills you know, like uh, uh, like I like athletics, so I can write athletics. And if you like kabaddi, coco, etc., basketball, etc., you can write anything you want here. So like this you can create your own resume. But now we'll see one of the resumes here, like I will show you photo resume too. See, after clicking see all, we can see so many photo resumes here. I guess this will be the better one. So okay, we'll add this in new page. So as you can see here, you can write here. See your college student. You can write here your name and your college student. You can delete from here this photo and add your photo. For now, we'll add anything related. So, I guess you can add your photo. So, uh, this is similar pattern like your personal profile, contact details, but this is some type professional type. So, uh, you can add anything here. Contact details, championship wins, and I told other than skills like co-curricular activities, can add here notable skills, anything, and you can write here work history, education. Like this you can create your resume on your own by taking this template, or you can create on your own, like creating for yourself one, means designing one for yourself. Now we'll go for the phone view of how the resumes can be made in phone view. So this is the last one. So see, so many resumes are there here. I've selected one normal simple resume, and I have changed some of the data from here, like name and etc. See, I change the color and font size, font like suitable font color. I mean font size, how much it should be there. Like see, I've changed the name here. My name, I'll change my name, and I've added some my contact details. Some of this, like this, I've added. So like this, I've created my own resume. I guess you will also create your own resume one day. You can practice from now and try to fill your skills data here and increase your skills. So this is the resume making the phone view. So this is a PC view, and almost we are done. So thank you for your patience, and this is time for practically apply, and we'll stop here. So thank you for listening and showing this much patience. And I hope you will create designs and posters for World Environment Day and post it in the group today also. And expecting this. So thank you so much. So we'll meet in the workshop day 3. Till then, thank you so much. I hope I did not bore you.